Hey mga ka-AutoCAD, let's have our topic in 3D Basic. We have 2D dimension in AutoCAD. We have also 3D dimension in AutoCAD. So what are those 2D and 3D dimension differentiate? So how we differentiate is our oxycon through X and Y. In our 3D, let's have our 3D view that is in z-axis vector. We can observe on top view the plan view itself, which is x and y, and then if we go back to our top view, we cannot longer see our z coordinates, or which serves our height in AutoCAD. So if we are going to go back to each of these front elevation, right elevation, and so on and so forth, those are used for a sides, no? So if we have a cylinder or any of that example 3D drawing, we can differentiate later as we go along to our discussion. So let's go back so that we can observe the z-axis vector. So we can see and observe that z-axis vector is already on the sides, no? So we have to see the sides in z, and then we go back on our top view and we can see that is already x and y observed only. There is no z coordinate when we go back to top. But then if we want to change on any right side front elevation, we can see those coordinates in x and y are in elevation view. In isometric view, we can observe the z-axis vector. So first we try on this side, we can have the box. So when we use the box, it is already given a cube or a length. So when we try, it is parallel to the z-axis vector. So when we get through a positive side, we go here on the z parallel to this side. And if we are going to go on a negative value of a z-axis vector, it is on outward position of the z-axis vector. So we can see those drawings are already a 3D object because we can observe that in a length and a width and a height. So how can we use again the box? So we can see the box. So drawing a box on a cube. So meaning we can start on a cube. So see to get a cube to have a length and width and height equal. So let's have our value in 10. So length and width and height is equal to 10. So we can see that is already a cube box also. And then with a length naman, L, enter. So we could set the length can be specified in 10, and then with the width we can specify in 5, and then the height can be now in 10. So that's the way we can use our box in 3D Basics. So how about if we use the cylinder? So we can see the cylinder in here when we use, let's have 5. So we can stretch out here to get the size of the cylinder. So we could go on 10 also, we can input.